In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Safety, our personal safety, is of paramount importance. Some of the people do realize it, while another, some of the people don't realize it. You would have seen the people washing their feet at the basin for the sake of ablution. Yes, people do, although it is not safe at all. If at all 1,000 people are making ablution, washing their feet in the basin, I can't see the exact figures, but people do fall. People do fall, some of the people, and the falling person's bones are sometimes fractured. This is a big trouble indeed. Why did it happen? Because people were trying to reduce the efforts needed to wash their feet. They tried to make it easy. They tried to save the time. Maybe they did save a minute or so, but the kind of risk they have taken, but the kind of injury, if at all somebody has suffered, I think it is far bigger and outweighs the benefit obtained. People drive carelessly on the roads. Some of the people are found speeding, exceeding the speed limit, which is quite dangerous. Another, some of the people are found attempting to overtake the other vehicles even when it is not safe to do that, even at a wrong place. And the people who are trying to overtake, these people are actually violating the safety measures, which should not be so. While some of the mosques, masajid, at the place of ablution making, there are tiles and marbles for the sake of beauty, but who should tell them that the beauty is not as important as the safety of a human being? Even if at all 10,000 people has made the ablution or in the whole of the year, I think if at all one person does fall and get a serious injury, it should not be done. Even if there are chances, one out of the 10,000, that I may fall, I think I should try to avoid it. Why? Because the safety, the personal safety must be taken, must be kept as something of a paramount importance, and we should not be making any sort of compromise upon it, and not at all. And there are people who, while there are pedestrians, while crossing the road, they people become impatient, and this lack of patience actually puts them into a kind of deep trouble. We should all try to avoid. We should all try to avoid, because the safety is of prime importance, and nothing is more important than our personal safety, and nothing is as important as our personal safety. So for that reason, the safety measures must be taken, and we must not be overlooking and ignoring the SOPs of the safety, the SOPs of the personal safety. No matter what we are doing, some of the women, while cooking the food, they people, some of these women, their clothes catch fire, and their body gets burned. Why? Because they were moving in a careless manner, and the flame was very high as well, which made it quite risky. That is why the safety, no matter what we are doing, we must be taken. We must be taking. We must take the safety measures. If at all we don't do that, what is going to happen with us? That suppose out 999 times I did protect, but once I did fell. So what is this actually? We should try to avoid it. There are enough number of people in the world, and there are enough number of people in a small in a country, in a small town as well, where the people, because of the violation, because of violating the personal safety rules, they people have suffered, and they have suffered a lot. Their life has become paralyzed, and they has become handicapped. Now the people are unable to lead a normal life. Why are they unable to lead a normal life? Because they did not take the necessary measures, they did not take the necessary steps. And what did happen? Because of this attitude, they got seriously injured, and now their lives have become very difficult. Their life has become so challenging. That is why I am emphasizing. Some of the people might think that this is not an important topic to speak upon. I think so. This is not the case. The case is this is either one of the most important topics to be to be debated and to be deliberated upon. And this is so. If at all we are we love ourselves, if at all we don't want to put ourselves into any sort of deep trouble, all what is needed is that we should be doing one thing, and one thing alone, or at least this thing must be kept at the top. The personal safety measures must be kept at the top. Jazakallah.